Hey everyone! Are you tired of the WhatsApp chaos, losing track of messages, and struggling to manage your business communications effectively? Well, hold on to your hats because Lemapp is here to transform your WhatsApp experience into a powerhouse of efficiency and organization. What is Lemapp? Imagine your WhatsApp conversations being handled by a digital wizard that works in together with HubSpot. That's Lemapp for you! It's a revolution for your business relationships on WhatsApp, not just a Chrome plugin. Designed to fit a range of business needs, Lemapp simplifies your processes, increases output, and facilitates communication. Lemapp performs everything with style, including organizing contacts, broadcasting messages, and starting chats without recording phone numbers. WhatsApp has become an extremely effective business tool with its remarkable capabilities, which include CRM syncing, inbox productivity, and scalable communication. Discover how Lemapp's efficiency may improve your team's WhatsApp game to unprecedented levels. Don't miss out! Exclusive lifetime deal prices. Usually Lemapp's Pro plan is a pretty penny, but guess what? Right now, you can snag lifetime access for only $29 instead of $89. That's more than 60% off! Let's see what you will find out in Plan 1. 1 user, Lemapp transcription bot, default system tabs, schedule a message, HubSpot, Google Sheets, and downloadable CSV, export all group contacts to CSV and Google Sheets, export individual custom tab contacts to CSV and Google Sheets, and you've got a 60-day money-back guarantee. So test it out, see the magic, and make sure it's the perfect fit for you. Let's unpack the 5 features of Lemapp. Okay, let's look into what makes Lemapp a game changer. Send bulk messages. Forget typing the same message a gazillion times. 1 click and boom, your message hits multiple contacts. Start a chat without saving contacts. Ever wanted to message that one-off contact without saving their number? With Lemapp, it's a breeze. Snooze Messages. Got a message you can't deal with now? Hit snooze and it'll pop back up when you're ready. Custom WhatsApp tabs. Organize your chats like a pro. Marketing, sales, support, have them all neatly tabbed. Notes feature. Jot down crucial points right in your chat. Never forget those aha moments again. Who needs Lemapp? Marketing agencies. Perfect for managing client communications and campaigns. Online coaches. Streamline interactions with clients and manage schedules effortlessly. Small businesses. Ideal for enhancing customer service and team coordination. Anyone juggling multiple WhatsApp chats. A lifesaver for keeping conversations organized and efficient. Maximize your savings, extra 10% off at UpSumo. Here's something to spice up your day even more. On top of Lemapp's irresistible lifetime deal, you can now shave an extra 10% off. That's right, more savings atop an already incredible offer. How to grab this sizzling deal? Visit the Lemapp lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Keep an eye out for a special discount prompt. Pop in your email address when prompted. Use the same email address for purchase. Look for an email with the 10% off coupon. So why wait? Dive in now and let those savings roll in with Lemapp. Real reviews, real talk. Let's check out some genuine reviews. Get ready for some glowing feedback because Lemapp users are loving it. Still thinking? Don't miss out! If you want to streamline your WhatsApp workflow, jump on this deal. Check out the link in the description, explore Lemapp's features, and grab this lifetime deal before it vanishes. Found this review helpful? Smash that like button, share this video with your pals, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and tutorials.